Solutions started 3 months back when we had a video chat among a few friends and ended up discussing the education system during the COVID-19 global pandemic. Then we realized that it's a great challenge faced by the parents, teachers and the whole society to educate their younger ones in such a situation where the schools were shut down all over the world. Because traditionally we were used to having the teacher-student relationship in a physical classroom, which is not allowed at all during this period. Therefore, we had to move to a virtual platform to maintain the so-called teacher-student relationship. Actually, it was a great relief for all of us and it ensured the uninterrupted teaching-learning process. Having understood the situation, it was emphasized by the results obtained through our market research. You, as the parents, whose kids are getting ready for the Cambridge examinations, are eagerly waiting for a virtual platform where you can have all of their subjects from one place. Here, we have brought that virtual study solution with the best team of facilitators.
Hello students, I am Mumtaj Mohsin. After my advanced level, I got a full scholarship to continue my higher studies at Asian University for Women based in Chittagong, Bangladesh. In 2015, I graduated with a bachelor's degree in the field of environmental science. Now, I am reading for my master's degree in the same field at the University of Peradeniya, Sri Lanka. Currently, I am carrying out my research on phosphorus treatment at Rajarata University of Sri Lanka. Meanwhile, I've been teaching maths and science in one of the well-reputed leading international schools in Sri Lanka for 5 years. Science stream, as you know, is an important and interesting field to explore about. I'm here to help you with Cambridge O-Level exam in the science stream. I wish you all the best.
Hello everyone, I am Hansani Utpala Hematilaka. I have graduated from University of Sri Jayawardhanapura with an accounting special degree. Also, I am reading for the master's degree at the same university in the discipline of management. Currently, I am working as a lecturer attached to a management faculty in a state university. I hope my experience in the fields of accounting and management will help you all to get through the examination with flying colors. I really love and enjoy the profession of teaching, and it is the biggest passion which drives me to do better in life.
Hello everyone, I am Manoja Jeevanthi Amarasinghe. Currently working as a teacher in a reputed international school network. I started my higher studies from the Faculty of Science, University of Peradeniya for my bachelor's degree in science. Then from University of Northampton for my bachelor's degree in business studies. I completed my master's degree from the University of Cardiff Metropolitan. Apart from my teaching career, I work as a visiting lecturer attached to Accounting and Finance Department in a leading private campus in Colombo. And also, I am an associate member of Institute of Bankers of Sri Lanka, having more than 10 years experience in a private bank. That is my academic and professional background. If you feel you want to have an idea about my teaching style, the way I explain the concepts, you may visit my YouTube channel and the Facebook page. It's Math with Jeeva. So, join with us, Virtual Study Solutions, your virtual tuition provider.
Hi, I am Himali Hettiarachchi. I have obtained my degree in computer science in 2016 from the University College of Dublin. Currently, I am attached to a very reputed international school network in Sri Lanka to impart my knowledge and experience to the students who are taking their examinations in very different assessment schemes. Making that positive impact upon lives, that is why I do what I do. I want to make a difference. not just inside my classroom, but in every classroom. So join with us at Virtual Study Solutions.
Now you know about our team of facilitators, their academic and professional background, the way they are planning to deliver the lessons. Yes. As a summary, if your child gets registered with Vista.com, he or she is getting a lot of benefits. Number one, they don't need to go out for extra tuition. Whatever the additional support they need, they can have it from the basics, step by step, at the comfort of your home. Lessons will be released weekly for each and every subject, irrespective of the subject stream they have selected, either the science stream or the commerce stream. When you purchase a weekly lesson, you will get a short note and homework questions, then answers for the homework of the previous week. From 25th to 28th of each month, your child can send his or her doubts and will forward those doubts to the relevant facilitator, and those doubts will be clarified by 30th of each month before we move to the next month. In addition to that, there will be webinars quarterly where your child can meet the facilitator online to clarify further doubts. When it comes to their monthly test, term test and semester examinations, definitely we will be there to assist them for revision. Specially arranged Q&A sessions will be there based on past papers. The most important benefit your child gets is, after purchasing a lesson, he or she has the opportunity to watch the lesson again and again until the examination date. That means they can go through the lesson many times until they are thorough with the explanation. So, now you know all about Vista.com. Join with us to get the greatest ever virtual learning experience.